Good morning guys. Kuya Godarzi Volcars, and nasa probinsya ka ba, abroad, malayo, and you wanna check a car, but you can't come here physically sa showroom, no problem. No, we can do an online video call, no? So para ginagawa ni Gia, one of our SCs, ayan, meron tayong online appraisal, and habang check natin yung kotse. So, habang naka-video call tayo with our sales consultants, check na natin yung kondisyon ng kotse para ginagawa natin ngayon. Yung mileage, yung engine, yung kondisyon ng kotse, inside, outside. We show the condition of the engine. We have our specialists here, may scanner. So parang nag-hire ka na rin ng mechanic to go here for free, no? Andiyan yung scanner, nakahanda. Check yung condition ng kotse. So, if you want to check cars but can't come here physically, no problem. We can always schedule an online viewing para sa inyo. Papadaliin pa natin because we love our clients sa all cars, so you can do cash, financing, trade-in, and especially sa mga financing, online viewing, then just send us your reservation, then we'll process your financing para sa inyo. So this is Kuya Godarzi of All Cars. Have a beautiful day.